Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today's going to be a makeup tutorial on this look right here. It's super colorful, super snazzy. I'm really into it. So if you want to see how to create it, then this is the video for you. Another thing before I begin, I just want to mention that I post videos every single day on my YouTube channel. So if you haven't already, check out my YouTube channel. It'll be down below this video. Just click on it and you will be taken to my home page where you'll see a multitude of videos. I tend to talk a lot about makeup, but every now and then I like to switch the content up. I like to post about lifestyle, photography. I like to do some vlogs every now and then, and I just love to be creative. I love to share things with you guys. I love to inspire you. So if you're looking for any of that, check my channel out down below. But if you're here right now and you're interested in creating this makeup look right here, then of course keep on watching. Okay, so in this video, I want to challenge you guys to basically shop your stash. Don't focus so much on what I'm about to be using. Just focus on what similar products you have in your own collection that you can use to achieve a similar or completely different look for yourself. So I have like several products here that I'm going to be using. I have several palettes, but I'm not going to be mentioning any brand names in this video. I just want to focus on the makeup, and if you really want to know what I'm using, it'll be down below in the description box. But for this actual video, I just want to focus on the makeup. I've already done my brows, and I have also done a little bit of concealer on my eyelids for an eyeshadow base. And now I'll be taking a packing brush and I'm going to be dipping in to this orange color right here. You can use any kind of matte orange that you have in your collection. Whatever you have on hand will do just fine. I'm choosing a matte orange because I feel like a lot of people have some form of an orange in their collection already. So this will pretty much be going right into my inner corner area, just like that. Again, I have not set my eyelids, so that's why the color is having a really easy time grabbing onto my eyelid. Then I'm taking a small brush and I'm just going to grab a little bit of that orange color and I'm going to just blend out the edges just a little bit more. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a hot pink. And I am going in with a hot matte pink, this one right here. See, it's like this hot fuchsia. And I'm just going to be taking a flat brush this time, just loading up that brush. And then I'm just going to tap the color on the center of my eyelid. I'm meshing in the colors together a little bit to create like a little bit of a gradient that we have going on here. Which is pretty easy to do since we are using pink and orange. Those two colors work well together when it comes to makeup. Then I'm going to go back into that small blending brush and I'm going to clean up the edges, just make the crease a little bit more blended. So now what I'm doing is I'm taking another flat brush and I'm dipping into a matte blue. I'm loading this up and I'm going to be packing this onto my outer corner. You notice I'm not like spending a lot of time just blending this blue out, and that's because we're really close to that pink, and if I mix blue and pink together too much, if I try to blend those colors together too much, I will get a purple, and I don't necessarily want that. Like, I don't want that to be like the main focus. So I'm going to go back in with this flat brush and pick up that pink. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tap it like right on the border between those two colors. And since the pink is a lighter color, it's just going to mesh in with that blue. It's going to work together really well. I'm also going to bring that a little higher. And then I'm going to take that flat brush, dip it into a little bit of that blue, and just blend out those edges just a little bit. I'm going to take the remainder of that blue color on the brush and lightly, very lightly apply that to my crease, join it in together with that orange color from earlier. I'm going to also work on the rest of my face. I'm going to dip into a little bit of foundation and mix it in with a liquid illuminator. I'm then going to take another brush and dip it into a matte purple. This I'm going to be packing all over my lower lash line. And just mesh it in with that blue shade from earlier. And then I'm going to take that matte blue from earlier and just swish it into my lower lash line. Just slightly. I'm not going to go like all over, but I just want to go just on the outer third. I also want to take a little bit of a fluffy brush, dip it into that purple, and just blend out the lower lash line just a bit. Then I'm going to take that purple again, and once more pack it into the outer corner. Okay, so the eyeshadow is looking fantabulous in my opinion, and I'm going to go in now with a little bit of inner corner highlight because I just can't help myself. I'm going to be using a cream highlight, but you can use a powder, you can use whatever you want. This one happens to be a very icy looking pink shade. I'm going to dip my finger into it and just tap this into my inner corner. I also kind of want to do like my waterline as well. I'm using a minty green eyeliner and I'm just gonna line my waterline. I'm now gonna do the rest of my face real quickly. I'm gonna be dipping into this gold kind of highlight. I'm just gonna highlight my cheeks. I'm gonna be using the remainder on the brush just to highlight the center of my face a bit. My cupid's bow, my chin. And then I'm taking a bronzer and I'm going to lightly dust it on my cheeks. Okay, now for mascara. I'm going to do my mascara on my top lashes and then I'm just going to really quickly apply a pair of false lashes as well. For lips, I'm just lining my lips with a nude pink lip liner. And then I'm going to apply a little bit of pink gloss. So this is the look with no false lashes. I'm gonna go right ahead and just apply some false lashes because I want to just add a little bit more lash to this look, to be honest. So I'm gonna do that really quickly and then I'll be back. This is the finished look with lashes, everything completed. I'm just gonna put my hair down because this bun is not doing me any favors, but this is pretty much what we are finishing off with. We used 5 colors on the eyes as well as an inner corner highlight, and I do think, like, I hope that I inspired you to basically look into makeup collection, see what you have and use it. If you liked anything in this video and you loved how something looked or how something like appeared to be, just look at what you have first, and if you don't have that item, check in the description box, see what I used, and then maybe you can add it to your wish list. My point is with this video is just look at what you have first before you necessarily look at the actual product that I'm using. You can use a pink eyeshadow from any palette that you have. Any colorful palette these days has a pink eyeshadow. Blue eyeshadows are even more common. Orange eyeshadows, you can find them in many warm tone neutral palettes. They tend to have a pop of orange. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it inspired you, and I hope you guys will come back tomorrow because tomorrow I'll have a new video up for you. I post every single day, and I hope that you guys are enjoying my channel so far. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.